Restarting your Xbox Series X or S is often the quickest way to fix temporary glitches, frozen screens, or game issues like Roblox not loading properly. Here's how to do it. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the side menu. Select your profile, then go down to Power. Choose Restart and confirm when prompted. Wait for the console to fully restart, then try launching your game again. Alternatively, you can press and hold the Xbox button on your controller. From the menu that appears, select Restart, then confirm by choosing Restart again. This simple step can clear out minor software bugs, refresh your console's memory, and help games like Roblox or Fortnite run more smoothly. It's also a quick fix if your apps feel slow or the dashboard isn't responding properly. If this video helped you get your Xbox back on track, please give it a like or watch another video to discover more tips for mastering your console.